Montana.
Hey, what's good, guys? What's up? It's your boy Tnaire, Montana, and if you clicked on this video, then you are trying to learn how to edit your Yeti microphone to its best settings. Much like you guys, when I first got my Yeti Blue microphone, I thought that you can just, take it out the box, plug it into your computer, and, just have at it, and you'll have the best audio that the world has ever seen. Not true. When I first got my microphone, I plugged it in and I was like, man, what the heck is this? Like, my microphone sounds like trash. And much like you, I went onto YouTube and tried to look for videos. I personally did not find a good video to, put settings on for my microphone. So what I did was I took different videos and made up my own settings. So hopefully that this helps everybody else that's out there, because I personally think that this is the best settings for this particular microphone. I can't speak on any other microphone but this one. So first things first, guys, I want to say you want to, well, this is for me, for my voice. I have my gain in the middle. My gain, if you guys can see that, I don't know if you can see that, my gain is in the middle for my voice. And then the speaking setting that I have it on is that one that looks like a Pac-Man. So that's the first thing I would say. Generally you want to have your gain kind of lower, because you don't want to have it too much, because then it's gonna sound terrible. So the lower the gain, the better. You can always amplify or increase the audio for your clip. So without further ado, guys, let's edit this clip right here, and so I can show you guys how to have the best settings for this microphone. Let's get into it.
So right here I'm gonna be scrolling to like a section that I just see that's like messy or like that contain noise, and I'm going to use it to get my noise reduction profile. So what you have to do is you have to highlight some noise first, then go to effects and go to, what is it, noise reduction, which I'll go to in a minute. And it's a two-step process. So you have to highlight like what you think is noise, go there, get your noise profile, and then highlight the whole clip, which you'll see. Just double click that, go to effects again, noise reduction, and then you press OK. So it's a two-step process to get your noise reduction. So there you go, right there. You can see it changed, like the little noise, little areas, which could probably be like your squeaking chair, or I mean, if you have a squeaky chair, or just little movements or whatever. But anyways, next you go to your effects, and then you want to go to bass and treble, and you just want to slide the little things back and forth to where you get it to where you want it. Make sure you double click your sound file though first. This is going to differ from everybody and from every clip. So these bass and treble values will vary between videos. They're not going to be just set it here and there and then that's it. Like, no. And then once you do this, yeah, it didn't apply because I didn't control and click the whole clip. But once you do that, you can apply it and then you close it. Okay, so you want to do that for your bass and treble. Then after that, you go back to effects, and then you want to go back to normalize me. I just click the default and then press OK right there. And then you go to compressor and you want to compress it, and it's going to make it bigger again. And that right there is how I edit mine. Now this is what you want to do. You export, and export as a wave. People export as MP3. Wave files are usually in my opinion better. So I usually export, or not usually, I always export mine as a wave, and that's how you edit audio for your mic. So yeah, so right now I'm going to show you, or let you listen to what it sounds like when this is like pre-edited right here. So this is what would be pre-edited audio. Okay, so this is like before the edit, and then right here is after the edit. So you can see the difference right here. Sounds a lot better. So hey, that's what you can achieve if you do everything. And I don't think I mentioned this, but make sure you're close to your mic when you're speaking. I definitely forgot to mention that. So make sure you speak pretty fairly close, like when you're to your mic. Excuse me. Speak or get close to the mic when you're speaking. Sheesh, man, cannot talk. So yeah. But anyways, that's been this video. And if you like the tutorial, please subscribe if you want to. I know how these videos are. People, you know, get the information and dip. You know, I have no problem with that. Whatever I feel it, I do it the same. But if you know you want to check out my other videos, you know, just go ahead. I'm a pretty cool dude. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. And thank you for watching. Peace.